putting a plate on my car. Last minute show shenanigans.
Yeah. So we're going to a show today?
We're going to Driven.
Nice. Oh.
So
And
this is the first time we've been out in a couple of years.
sweet. And we're not just taking one car, which is the Porsche. We're also taking the EVO, we're taking the C8 Corvette, and we're taking the Defender also back. So, woo, look at that. I know, right? Multiple. The whole dashboard is lit up. But that's pretty much because we haven't gotten some of the components to make it complete, just because stuff was delayed.
Yeah.
Oh.
You're gonna need 2x4s to get it out.
Look at it.
Right here.
So the car's so low, we have to use wood for clearance.
There you go, you're good.
Okay, this thing's got no radiator, so we gotta rip.
This? Oh shoot, okay.
Let's go.
So in case people are interested in these stickers, can they get them from the website?
Yeah. And they're
Sweet. Awesome.
just dropped them. They're brand new. If you can't clap, I got a drink, so we're gonna skip that part. Okay, we're out here at Driven. We're on the roof of the Hard Rock Casino. My guy's got my slant nose done, so we're showing it for the first time. It's not 100% done. It's missing a few little pieces, just supply chain issues, but it looks crazy, and I'm happy to have it out here. We brought the EVO along again because it's a crowd favorite, so now we're gonna head out and look at some other people's stuff because I'm tired of looking at this stuff.
And we also have these two peoples.
Me and Spence. Such a great time in the heat. We're built for the heat.
It is the second hot day in
I was in Saskatchewan.
Canada, and it's freaking
I was in Saskatchewan.
July.
So last Saturday in Saskatchewan was 40 degrees.
Oh wow.
Yeah, let's check this car out.
Oh shoot, what is this? RX-7? Oh, this is awesome.
We made a couple of aisles. We're just out here trying to find our best show.
Oh yeah.
This is one of the top contenders right here.
You got that, the Miata?
Yeah.
What do you guys think of these JDM vans?
I love them. The VIP van?
Yeah, so cool.
I've never owned one, but they're pretty good.
It's like when you play GTA with your little kid.
And you go to a dollar store and you buy the fake Hot Wheels, that's what this is.
Oh my god.
Tell.
That. So far, which is your favorite build? Or which ones are your favorite
There's
builds?
a 6 Slantnose outside.
Oh my gosh.
You said favorite.
Yeah.
Minus ours. Which ones have been good?
This Integra up here is super clean. And that little Civic over there.
Oh, okay.
Probably my favorite.
Wow.
Just based on quality.
Yeah.
Some of them are pretty wild looking, but those are probably the two cleanest ones here.
What about you?
I really like that. What's that? Is it Tahitian green CRX?
Oh,
With the K swap. Yeah.
that was pretty awesome.
That one's nice. The Integra with the ITBs is cool.
What about you, Steve?
I really like the old Hondas that are here. There's quite a few nice ones.
The old what?
The old Hondas.
Okay.
Seems to be a pretty good turnout of them today. But since when I grew up, that's what I had first, was one of that pieces. And it's nice to see that 3 of them lasted this long.
True. Huh?
People actually like the Corvette.
Yeah, I know. I've been seeing a lot of pictures taken of it. People love your car, though.
It's okay. If you like that kind of thing.
It's a crowd favorite.
So far.
You knew that one. Awesome. Get hype! Yeah, baby! Get hype, baby!
To 6 days later.
Let's get our awards. That's very disrespectful.
You just get the awards.
It was on the floor.
Yeah, people would usually like hanging them up in like a shelf or like all of that, but you just.
All right, we're back from Driven. We put a whole bunch of work in to try to get my Porsche done and ready for there, but we came up a little bit short, but we also did take the EVO. So we did pretty well. The Mercedes did best in show and the Porsche did the best in class. So we still have a bunch of stuff to do. We did the best that we could, but I'm still missing some interior pieces. So hopefully we'll get those soon. But I was able to drive it, which was super cool. So I kind of got my momentum back, so I'm looking forward to getting it finished. We got the motor back in the EVO, but unfortunately we didn't get it done in time because we just straight up ran out of time. That's that kind of show life. So in the coming weeks, hopefully we can get these all finished up and back on the street. But for now, they just are waiting on parts just like everybody else is. So that's it. Like and subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram,
Follow us on
TikTok.
Instagram, TikTok. TikTok's great. You got to follow up TikTok on the Porsche because I single-handedly have created the most hated and the most loved car on the internet.
Very true.
Check that out. It's worth a read. There's at least 1,000 great comments.
Oh, more than that.
Just how badly I messed this car up. So that's kind of fun. I once did a podcast asking about how I dealt with hate. I didn't get any hate on the Mercedes. But this Porsche is made up for all the hate. So trust me, it's a good read. You're going to want to check it out.
Awesome. With that said,
That's it. Like and subscribe, and we'll keep doing them.